Hello everyone, I am Oritri Shaha, PGT teacher of English in Bodhisukha School. I have attended one workshop directed by CBSE and presented by Mrs. Sandhya Rani Swine on 23rd of June 2021. My topic was gamification in learning. This is my report on gamification in learning, which was directed by Sandhya Rani Swine. So, the session has been started by the famous quote: Games are the elements of joy, happiness that energize the individuals to exhibit the talent and potential. So, there are many benefits of gamifications, like strengthens motivation to learn, encourages active learning, increases attention span, reduces student stress, etc. So, all these aspects can enhance one student's interest and attention towards their study. So, that is why gamification in learning is very important to do the growth in a student's learning capability. So, there are some games which are the references which can be imposed during the classes. I have already said that games enhance the interest of learning among the students, helps to drag attention easily, develops physical and mental growth both for each and every students. So we all know that mathematics are the boring subject to most of the students. So that's why there are many games in mathematics which provides the students to make the mathematics into fun. So they can literally and lexically take the mathematics as fun. So gamification in math lessons allows the students to improve their learning in mathematics and to learn the mathematics, the calculations too easily. So there are steps which we should follow. So there are brainstorming activity. We all know what are the importance of brainstorming activity in a classroom. It enhances the interaction mode with students, and it also helps us to understand which students are disengaged to make them engage in the learning. So this is the logo which Mrs. Sandhya Rani Swine has been provided us to make us involve in that workshop. It was really a fun. Gamification in science enhances the students to know the experiments practically. It helps them to understand the matters with clear concept. So here are some strategies which are described. There are various games in languages and social sciences also. The games in languages make it more easy to the students. They can understand it in more better way. In social science also the same way. So the discussed matters in this workshop are: creativity is the key to success. It can be enhanced by involving students in different learning games. Beside this, emphasizing on brainstorming activities, utilizing of more video games, etc. So workshop on gamification guides us to understand the value of imposing games during classes. It plays an important role to increase interaction among the students. Students become active and responsible, learning becomes fun. Thank you.